So you guys have been asking for it. It's here. Jeff here from Bruiser Conversions. We have developed a Gen 3, Gen 4 LS conversion, fully tunable by the end user. Turbochargers, superchargers, you guys name it. You can do whatever you want. Bolted directly up to a 2012 and up NAG1 or the WA580 that comes in the 2012 and up platform. We do have capability of putting that particular transmission in the earlier model platforms as well, the 7 through the 11. But if you have a 2012 and you want to go down to LKQ and pull an LS out of a truck, a van, or an Escalade, or an Avalanche, you can do it. And we are going to show you the step-by-step process of how that install looks. So follow us, Instagram, Facebook, we're going to make YouTube videos. This is episode 1. We're actually going to the yard today to pull a 5.3 out of an Avalanche. So follow us. You'll be stoked.